That winter weather, it could make traveling dicey for drivers this holiday. The state of Iowa and city of Des Moines are preparing crews for snowy roads, and they say that you should get ready too.
Here's one way. Make sure your tires are on tight.
Yeah.
KCCI's Pepper Papura talked with Perry's Service and Towing on University Avenue about the steps you should take before you head out for your Thanksgiving destination.
Before Iowa's roads turn white,
we're getting all of our trucks fine-tuned.
Des Moines Public Works says pre-treating the streets won't help with the conditions expected Friday afternoon. But once the snow starts, the city's crew of 120 is prepared to start plowing and treating.
What we will do is we'll get out in front of it as soon as possible.
Another key to safe travel this season starts with service.
People even who are traveling are wanting to get their cars checked to make sure they are road ready and ready for this winter weather.
Andy DeBoer's shop, Perry Services and Towing, has been installing winter tires, performing oil changes, and topping off antifreeze and wiper fluid all week to prepare customers' vehicles for the snow. He's also reminding them.
Keep your gas tank full. Don't trust the mileage on the dash when it says, 20 mile till empty.
To help make sure one of his trucks doesn't end up pulling your car from the snow.
We'll get anything from somebody's car that won't start from sitting over the holiday weekend, or somebody that slid off the side of their driveway, got high centered on a snowbank. We see it all.
In Des Moines, Pepper Papura, KCCI News, Iowa's news leader.